Bonjour tout le monde à Montréal. Hi everybody in Berlin. So my name is Benoit. I'm Director of Communication at the CRIAC. So when I was told that I had to do the closing remarks, everybody will be hungry, no one will listen to me, so je serai bref. I'll do it quickly. So anyway, about the event today is bring people together and promote research and innovation. So speaking about research and innovation, the CRIAC is a unique model for collaborative research by a company of all sizes involving university academics. So we bring academics and companies together, and our mission is to increase the competitiveness of Quebec's aerospace sector by stimulating the ecosystem. But we're not self-sufficient because we're only 8 million in Quebec, so we need people from international. Sorry about that. So our services connect people to stimulate aerospace innovation, support and access to financing, reinforce and drive technological leadership in aerospace. And by the way, I forgot to say, but we are a non-profit government-funded organization. So connect people. We organize webinars within the ecosystem. For instance, we have a webinar in a few weeks with Belgium and another one with Switzerland. So why not one with Germany in the next few months? We invite people to participate in events everywhere in Quebec. And every 2 years, we have the Rendezvous Forum, which brings all people from the ecosystem. Support and access to financing. So we have 2 stages, early stages, so exploring innovation program, and maturing, so more ready to go products. Reinforce and drive technological leadership in aerospace. So we have our roadmap 2035. We have 3 major pillars. So sustainable aerospace, such as SAF, air mobility of the future, so which we call advanced air mobility, such as drone and eVTOL. And we have a digital aviation system. So what about us with Germany? We're more on the diplomatic side at the moment. So we met at Le Bourget, which is Paris Air Show. And we had a cooperation agreement with CRIAC and ZAL. And one of our colleagues, which is not here today, visits ZAL during September. And he was at Bremen for a symposium as well. So we had a few projects with German companies in the past, but we are looking to have more in the near future. So just a case study, ADIMOR. ADIMOR stands for Automated Detection of Methane Plumes of Satellite and Airborne Images, and use of AI to optimize the reading of observation. This is why we call it ADIMOR. So we had GHGSat, INO, and Polytechnique de Montréal. We heard a lot about Polytechnique de Montréal today. The founders were Quebec and Canada, both government. And basically, GCC satellite system continuously send a large quantity of images to the ground, which has to be analyzed by human individually. So these images are analyzed with the aim of identifying areas of methane emissions. So by the way, methane is a colorless, odorless greenhouse gas whose warming effects is 84 times greater than CO2. So GHGSat currently operates 3 satellites and wishes to add more. And by this addition, the number of images received will therefore increase a lot. So GHGSat main requirement for the project was to support its operators with the analytical assistance tool to identify regions. Um, and was to improve its reliability. The tool would integrate information such as cloud cover and so on. And Polytechnique de Montréal will then use artificial, so AI, to increase the reliability of detection decision. So an AI-based assistance tool will be developed with the help of CRIAC, of course, with funding, to help operators focus their analysis on regions whose images show a high emission potential of methane. So that's about it. Thank you for having us, and bon appétit.